What's up, my friends? So we're changing seats again. This Bostrom seat that I buy it used, it's kind of used, so we got brand sprinkling new seat right here. Same brand. I hope it's gonna be comfy. So old one, wide ride is coming out. This is the one that it sits super low, like the Peterbilt drivers like it. 4 bolts removed. Now the seat is free to go, and I'm gonna have to remove the plate. And I think this plate's gonna work on the new one, because the new seat looks like it's pre-drilled for the adapter plate from the seats company, that it's supposed to be for a legacy seat. I hope it's gonna work. We'll see. Alright, seat is out. Now gotta take this plate off. 2 nuts here and 2 on the back. 2 on the back. Alright, fellas, so the plate is off. So on this seat is the older model, and it works with Peterbilt plug and play, but to mount it in the Volvo I had to get this plate, and I had to drill 4 holes in here. This one and this 2. So now it was possible to mount it in a Volvo truck with the seats ink plate. This plate is designed for seats brand, like Legacy and stuff, not for Bostrom. So, but the new one that I have, it has many more holes than this one, so this plate should work without any drilling. Let's see. So look how many more holes this one have. Let's see if this plate works. Check this out, fellas. It works perfectly. It slides in right away. Wow. Okay. Look at this nice seat, guys. And the plate, look, front fits like this, and these holes, and back. The back is right here. Look at this. Perfect. Just the washers and the nuts, and we good to go. Washers and nuts on the front. Okay, 2 more on the back. So fellas, seats is in 15 minutes with removing the old one. And if you decide to buy a newer model Bostrom seats, they are pre-drilled for, not for Volvo, they are much smaller, but if you get this plate, the cheap seat ink plate for seats for the Legacy or something, yeah, it works. So that's how it is. No drilling, nothing. Just a perfect fit. Take care, guys.